What does it take to be a successful jewelry designer? Your jewelry knowledge. The more knowledge you have in jewelry, the easier it will be and the better you will do. How about your interest in and attention to trends? This goes a long way for your customer to see that you know what you're talking about and that you know your business. And your ability to listen, especially to the customer, to understand what their needs are. And then your attention to precision and detail, which ultimately is the key because we are working with very tiny and very precious items. And lastly, your passion to produce. Remember that successful jewelry designers become so through hard work. The more experience you build by practicing yourself, by working with customers, and by actively observing, drawing, and conceptualizing jewelry, the faster your path to success.